everyone, I Jyoti welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today I am going to discuss or to show you the demo of mixed reference. Mixed reference is the combination of absolute and relative reference. How it is the combination? In mixed reference you will fix the either row or column, like this is your cell number B4. C B4, this is cell number B4. So if we are talking about this B4, simple B4, it is a relative reference. Okay, if we are talking about dollar B $4, it is the absolute reference. Okay, it means here in case of B4, listen, in case of B4, B is the column and 4 is the row, and both are relative. B is also changeable and 4 is also. If you will drag the series, then on the place of B, C will come, and on the place of 4, 5 will come. Then 6 and 7 and D, E, F, like this. Okay, so here both row and column are changeable, that is relative. Now in case of this $B $4, it means we are fixing B column and 4 row. It means B will like B only and 4 will behave like 4 only. There will be no change. But in case if you are putting or fixing only one thing, either fix $B, either fix $B4 or fix B $4. It means in this the 4 row number 4 is relative and B is fixed absolute, and in this B column is relative and 4 row is absolute or fixed. So this is called relative mixed reference. Okay, either fix column or fix row by putting $sign before that. So how it's possible? Just see the example. Okay, now students, this is my data and what is my requirement? I need the multiplication of 5 and 2 here, 5 and 3 here, 5 and 4 here. So in case of 5 and 2, 5 will be fixed. Okay, it will be fixed or absolute, and 2, in case of 2, column B will be changeable, and 1 or 2 and 3 will be fixed here. How it's possible? Write equal sign and select this. Now student, put $sign before A and 2 because we are using fixed reference or absolute. For this I am telling you one shortcut key. You can press F4 key. Okay, here select the cell and press F4 key. One time F4 key, what will do? F4 key one time, it will replace the relative into fixed. Second time it will replace relative column fixed row. Third time for relative fixed column and relative row. So if you are not comfortable in writing $sign, you can use F4 button, F4 function key. Okay, like I need fixed reference here, fixed absolute, so one time I am going to press F4. Now student, you can see here this is fixed. Now put a multiply sign. Now I need B changeable, B column changeable, but row number fixed. So write B here. Okay, write B here, B as it is because it is changeable, relative. So write B as it is and press $sign. This is B2 now. So B1, sorry, not B2, data is in B1, 1. So you can see I am using here mixed reference. Mixed means column is changeable and row is fixed, and then press enter. Now result is 5 multiplied to 10. Now what will be the result here? 5 multiplied 3, So 5 will be fixed and 3. C is changeable. B replace C, but 1 will be fixed. Now drag the series and fill it. You can drag the series right hand side also, not only down side. You can drag the series right hand side also. Now see students, is it correct? 5 multiplied 2 10, 5 multiplied 3 15, 5 multiplied 4 20. How it's possible? See, in this you can watch, that was fixed and B is changeable and 1 is fixed. It means in next column if we'll drag the reference, on the place of B, C will come. On the place of C, D will come. But 1 is fixed here, 1 is fixed here, 1 is fixed here. C. Now see this. This is fixed. On the place of B, C is coming here because C was relative. So B, on the place of B, C will come. But dollar, we have fixed row 1. That's why $1 is coming here. Now come to the next. C. Once again you will see this is fixed. D is coming here because the B was relative. So B change C, C replace D. But the $1 row 1 we have done fixed. That's why it is fixed. So students, this is mixed reference. Mixed reference means here you are not using mixed. This is completely absolute. But here you are using mixed reference. Mixed means combination of absolute and relative. This is your relative and this is your absolute. You can do the same thing for row column also. You can fix the column and change the row. So this is relative reference. So what is the definition? Not relative, mixed reference. What is the definition of mixed reference? Mixed referencing is a combination of relative and absolute referencing. In mixed referencing, one part of the cell address, either column or row, is made absolute with the other part is relative. Okay? Either row will be absolute or column will be absolute. So in mixed referencing, the cell references change in one direction, either in row direction or in column direction. It means either row will change at the time of doing drag and drop series, or column will change. With the part made absolute remains same, absolute part will get remain same, and the relative part will change. Like we have done here, B changeable, relative. So on the place of B, C was coming, then D was coming, and we have fixed A absolute 1. We have absolute 1. So 1 is next, in next cell 1 is fixed, and in next cell 1 is fixed. Once again you can see this. See. Okay students, so this is mixed reference. Thank you.